Welcome to the world of digital marketing, where success is just a strategy away. Hi there, are you ready to unlock the secrets to digital marketing success? Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, these tips will help you take your online presence to the next level. First, focus on creating optimized content. Use relevant keywords, engaging headlines, and high-quality visuals to attract and retain your audience. Second, leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience. Share valuable content, engage with followers, and use targeted ads to reach a broader audience. Third, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build a strong email list and send personalized, value-driven emails to nurture your leads. Fourth, implement SEO best practices. Optimize your website for search engines, use meta tags, and create backlinks to improve your site's ranking. Lastly, always analyze your performance and make adjustments. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your progress and refine your strategies. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to digital marketing success. Remember, consistency is key, and always stay updated with the latest trends. If you're ready to take your digital marketing game to the next level, comment below, "I'm ready." Let's get started on this journey to success together.